So let's get the next bit of paper. Now this technique I'm going to show you now uses our Stampin' Write markers, but you could probably use just about any felt tip for it. You could even use your blends, but they are alcohol based, so you don't really want to use that mixed with water, I suppose. But I haven't tried it with the blends, to be honest, because it works so well with these. You've perhaps come across the flick technique for adding little spots to cards. No, who knows? But this is sort of taking it to the next level. So this, I think this produces just the most glorious type of background. So this time we're going to soak the card again first. I'm going to spritz all over the card. There we go. I'm not doing too badly. I'm not getting so covered as I usually am. And then you want something sort of sharp, a pencil or something. I'm actually using my pokey tool for this. And all you're going to do, use the brush end and just flick. Oop, I've actually touched it there. Just flick. And it looks at first as if nothing much is happening. And then you start to realise that actually is quite a lot happening. So I'm going to flick it with a mix of colours. So I've used pale papaya. I'm using, what they call it, fresh freesia and soft succulent. So I flick these around. So for some reason, this I noticed this before. I flicked this and then found the flick marks all over my stamp pad, which wasn't good. So I've made sure those are all closed and everything else is well out of the way. There, I've added my purple fresh freesia. So I'm going to add a little bit of green as well. I think these three in colours are just gorgeous and they go so well together. Clean my pokey tool, because otherwise that gets disgusting. And hopefully you can see that effect.
Yeah,
I rather like. And again, you can either leave it to dry or dry it with the dryer. I'm going to leave that one to dry, actually. See it used in other ways, but I love the effect of it just then splooching out. And you'll see this all, I'll show you again later. This will actually spread more and more as I leave it just to dry in the air. So we've got some darker splodges and some lighter splodges. Yeah. It's a lovely background technique. So just show you the card with the dried version of it. There. So you can see there I had quite a lot of water on that. I had more water on this, so I got actual water splodge marks as well, which is actually fine by me. I'm not that bothered. But yeah, I like this as a background. And so here is my now dry speckled bit, so you can see the full effect of that now. Again, it makes a lovely background for a card. So I hope you enjoyed seeing all those different ways to use watercolours, and I'm going to make them up into cards now, but you don't need to see me doing that. So please, if you enjoyed this, do have a look at my other videos, do subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.